Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time! It's time for the lightning round! And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? It's time for the lightning round. It's over with Brandon in Virginia. Brandon!
A big booyah to you from Woodbridge, Virginia. Thanks for having me, Jim. My question is on American Airlines stock. So,
which one?
Pre-pandemic, the stock's at around $30 a share, then dips all the way to, I think, a low of 8 last year. Today, it's hovering at like 15.5. With the vaccine starting to roll out, do you think it's going to be a bull or a bear for 2021?
I think that stock has now moved up too much. They did a giant equity offering. They had to do it. They had to raise money. I don't know how much money they're losing. Felicity had Bastian this week at Delta. He's still losing a lot of money. So my suggestion is buy the stock of Boeing, because if it really comes back, everyone's short planes and needs them. That's my idea. I want to go to Craig in California, please. Craig.
Hey, Jimbo. Hey, how's it going there, buddy?
Doing well. How about you?
Yeah, doing all right. I'm looking at a stock here. Seems to be down considerably from its 52-week high. Sports a 2% yield. Been real busy lately. Just made a big purchase of Telefonica, and I like the purchase of Insight Wireless. What's your long-term thoughts on AMT? Is it still an ATM?
It's very funny you say that, because remember when Jim Takelet was there, I always felt that way. Now I'm not so sure. I like Crown Castle more at Chapel Trust. You can follow one by joining the ActionAlertsPlus.com club. We've been buying Crown Castle stocks way down. The reason why AMT is going down is because, like Crown Castle, it trades off of interest rates. It shouldn't. These are growth companies, but that's what happens. I would prefer you to be in CCI than I would you be in AMT. Keith in Indiana. Keith.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
First-time caller. Been watching you since the Kudlow Cramer days.
Holy cow. That was when TVs had rabbit ears.
Thanks for all you do for us home gamers.
Thank you.
I hear
Quite welcome.
positive news all the time about this company. It seems to be in a $3 to $5 range for the last 5 months. Is 2021 going to be any better for Opco Health, or is this dead money?
I don't know what to say, Keith. I'm glad you brought this up. BioReference Labs is having just a killer year. Some of the other things that they've got in there are amazing. Dr. Phil Frost was visionary, but it won't get out of its way. I have actually looked at the stock every day to say, is this the day? Is this the day? I'm beginning to believe, you don't want to hear this, but the day is not arriving, at least anytime soon. Angel in Florida. Angel.
Hey, Jim. Booyah.
Booyah back.
Carter here. First off, thank you for everything that you do. I'm a new investor, and I recently got into General Motors, ticker symbol GM. I love what they're doing, especially with the EV play, and I wanted to get your thoughts on it. Thank you so much.
You know what? I cannot agree with you more. I have decided, I went positive on the autos. The Chapel Trust bought Ford. Farley's great. Bayer's doing an amazing job now at GM. That company could be worth far more. No, it's not going to be the next Tesla. I don't need Tesla enough. But I think it's real good. That's me in my head. Tesla. Because if you're in this business, it's the Tesla business. Let's go to Brian, in Sweet Home, Alabama. Brian.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
Hey, thanks for taking my call and sharing your wisdom so we can get our money to work for us.
Okay.
What is your take on surface oncology? With all that we've learned through the COVID pandemic, could surf become a bull with the work in genomics? I
think this is a fabulous spec because it's genomics and it's oncology. So then you can say, well, Jim, what do you mean spec? I mean, look, I candidly am not in the genomics oncology business, but I know that this is where, if you wanted to have a speculative stock, it seems like a very good place to be. Can we go to Isaac in Colorado, please? Isaac.
This is Cramer. Thanks for having me on. Love the show. I got a two-part question for you.
Okay.
I purchased the stock in early November of 2020, and since then it's been underperforming, including today down 14% from its November high. As I do my research to discover why, I can find no reason to justify this trading behavior. This company has a very impressive track record over the last decade, outperforming the S&P, and is currently my third largest holding in my portfolio. My questions are, why is it experiencing this downward trend? And two, do I increase my position, hold, or sell? The stock is SPGI.
I think SPGI is a remarkable company. I like this acquisition. I think it's great. Some of these high-growth companies have started to roll over. People are scared. I think you should actually buy some SPGI. Let me tell you how crazy I was about this. When I saw it was going down, I was searching and searching. Finally, I realized that the guy who's the CEO, his name is Doug Peterson. I think they were confusing him with the guy from Nichols. I would buy that stock. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.